Scott for National Cycle. Today we'll be installing a new VStream windshield on this 2022 CB500F. This will be the same installation procedure for all 2013 to 2018, as well as the newer body 2019 to 2022 models. To complete this installation, you'll need a 4mm, 5mm, and 6mm Allen wrench and a small flat-headed screwdriver. The VStream windshield kit will include your windshield, a left and right side mounting bracket, a set of bolts and washers needed to attach the brackets to the bike, a set of grommets, bolts, and decorative washers to attach the windshield to the brackets. To start the installation, you want to remove these decorative little caps from the top of the bolts. And then with your 6mm Allen, remove the two mounting bolts. You want to do one side at a time to prevent anything from shifting around on the bike. Now we're going to install the left side bracket. Each of the brackets will have an offset built into the back of the bracket. They'll fit into the mounting holes on the riser. So let's line it up, slide it into place, install the supplied washer and bolt from the kit. And then tighten down with your 5mm Allen bit. With the brackets now installed, you want to install the 4 rubber grommets into the windshield. Pop right into place. Now you got the grommets in place. Install the windshield onto the brackets. Now you secure the windshield with the supplied bolt and a decorative washer. Then secure with your 4mm Allen. And repeat on the remaining 3 mounting points. Now installation is complete. All you need is a couple basic hand tools and about 15 minutes of your time, and this is a great upgrade for your CB500F. We had 3 sizes available for the VStream for the 2013 to 2018 models, as well as your 2019 to 2022 models. For more information on these products and other products by National Cycle, visit our website at nationalcycle.com. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your ride.